Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips and tricks. Number 7, how to select overlapping objects. So as example, I will create a rectangle and you can copy the rectangle objects into 3 rectangle. The next I will select this rectangle and change the color into red. For this rectangle, I will set color into blue. Use move tools to move the rectangle into the white rectangle and this red into this rectangle. So if you want to select red rectangles in these overlapping objects, you can click and it will be not selected for the red, it will be select in the blue rectangle. So we need to use the selection cycling on. You can go into these options in status bar, customization, and then check for selection cycling. So we have this icon, selection cycling. You can click to on the option. After it, you can select again the objects and will be show for the dialog box selections. Now you can select the red polyline and then I will move to the right. So I will select again for the white rectangle. You can select the objects and then click on the white polylines or white rectangle and you can move to the left. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD tips and tricks. Number 7, how to select overlapping objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.